Hello, everyone. This is the Time Trade channel. Sometimes, novice traders have unsuccessful trading and very little money remains on the deposit. In this video, I will show you how to make a turbo boost of the deposit from $1 using the correct application of a neural network and human logic. I will use a very effective AI with signals from a bot. By the way, you can try this trading bot without registering from any trading account. Follow the link in the description to the tool interface now. You need to press the menu button, select the start command, and then click on the test signals. Try this neural network on the market and draw your own conclusions. After the test, you can take the AI for free under the terms of the promotion forever. Details in this video. Well, let's start accelerating the deposit with $1. In the trading bot interface, select a currency pair for this trading session. I'll take the Australian dollar and Canadian dollar. Now go to the Pocket Option Broker interface and find this currency pair in the search bar in advance. The expiration time will be 1 minute. I'll start my acceleration with $1. In the following trades, I'll invest all the profit for the maximum boost of my deposit. Now I go back to the bot interface, press the expiration time button, and wait for the signal. As you can see, the neural network predicts that the price will go down, so I go to the broker, assess the situation on the market, and press the red button. Friends, for ease of viewing and saving your time, I increase the speed of price movement on the montage. Watch this video to the end, because now I will tell you about the conditions for free connection of this unique trading tool. At the end of the video, we will look at the results. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our Telegram and join the team to get a cool free trading training course. Meanwhile, the first trade has come to an end. Now, I will invest the entire profit amount in the second trade and enter the market in accordance with the signal from the neural network. By analogy, I will continue to act according to this strategy. Now, I have entered the market again to decrease the price in accordance with the general downward trend. Friends, to trade responsibly and use the help of the neural network, you can take advantage of the terms of the promotion. Now, using the link in the description, you can go to the bot interface and use its instructions to pick up the tool for free. I draw your attention to the fact that the neural network will remain with you forever with full functionality. An unlimited number of signals are given every day, and in the future you will not need to pay any fees for its use. The passability of the trading bot is up to 85%. But for responsible trading, always use your trading logic because the final decision always remains with the person. In this video, I show how the neural network only helps make decisions. I do not conduct financial consultations and do not give recommendations. Here you see only practice based on my experience of using a neural network for trading. If you want to really understand trading in the currency pairs market, I invite you to free training from the Time Trade team. After my training course, you will have the ability to see the market structure, recognize key support and resistance levels, and make logical, informed decisions based on analysis, not intuition. I will show you how to learn to read a chart from scratch, understand why the price moves this way and not another, and how to build your own trading system based on real patterns, not other people's guesses. This training is suitable for those who want to not just copy signals, but develop as a trader, understand the market, and act confidently. If you have long wanted to start, but did not know where to start or tried but did not succeed, now is a great time. Follow the link in the description and write me a private message. I will answer and help you start your path in trading consciously and with an understanding of the essence of the market. While this trading session is going on, let's discuss how a newcomer can smoothly transition into the world of trading and learn to manage their emotions effectively, especially during the early phase, which is often marked by typical beginner errors caused by greed, excitement, and lack of control. Starting a career as a trader is a deliberate and forward-looking move. It's not just about making money, but about developing a mindset that blends strategic thinking, emotional balance, and a thirst for constant self-improvement. It's completely normal for a beginner to face emotional turbulence in the beginning. Feelings like fear, greed, hesitation, and impulsivity are extremely common. After all, the financial markets are dynamic and unpredictable, and when real money is involved, even a calm person can experience stress, euphoria, or uncertainty. One of the first key psychological shifts a novice must embrace is the understanding that errors are not signs of failure, but essential parts of the learning curve. Each loss is not a defeat, but a lesson, valuable information that helps sharpen awareness and refine approach. This perspective encourages introspection rather than harsh self-judgment and lays the groundwork for emotional resilience and progress. Emotional reactions, such as greed or the thrill of fast wins, often push beginners into risky decisions, like overtrading or abandoning tested strategies in favor of random action. These states of mind distort perception and lead to choices based on impulse rather than reason. That's why it's critical for those new to trading to practice emotional detachment from each trade. A helpful method is keeping a detailed trading journal, not only logging trades and outcomes, but also documenting emotional states, motivations, and thought processes. This habit increases self-awareness and uncovers emotional triggers and patterns that tend to lead to poor decisions. In time, recognizing and analyzing these recurring emotional cycles enhances self-discipline and helps the trader make more measured and consistent decisions. Confidence in trading doesn't come from occasional wins or lucky guesses. It comes from preparation, structure, and the ability to follow a system under pressure. Real self-assurance emerges when a trader trusts their method, sticks to their plan, and resists the temptation to deviate when things get intense. A self-aware trader is one who doesn't act blindly, but who watches their own emotional responses, studies past results, and adapts intelligently to changing market conditions. Awareness means knowing when to take a break, when to evaluate, and when to act decisively based on real information, not on emotional whims. This kind of psychological discipline is what turns a beginner into a professional. However, reaching this level of maturity takes time, sometimes many months, even years. And unfortunately, a large number of beginners give up before they reach that point, simply because they lack support and tools to guide them through the emotional and technical learning process. That's why I want to once again remind you, there's a neural network I'm currently working with, and you can start using it for free. Just follow the link in the description to access the bot interface. Once you're inside, you'll find clear instructions on how to activate and use this powerful tool. It stays with you for life with full features unlocked. And if you get stuck, don't hesitate to contact our support manager. He'll assist you with setting everything up, including the broker verification process. Guys, I want to say that in my videos, I do not give financial advice or recommendations. I just show how I work on the market, how I understand signals, and apply my trading logic in tandem with a neural network. And in the meantime, my trading session is over. As you can see, with the help of competent application of neural networks and your trading, thinking even from $1, you can get good results. With you is Time Trade. Trade responsibly and understandingly. Have a nice day.